This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the first app you want to use in split screen. This is important because some apps block multi-window. Once the app is open, tap Recent Apps and long press its icon or card to reveal options. Choose Split Screen immediately. This pins the app to the top or left. Then select the second app from the suggestions or app drawer so both apps occupy the screen in a 1/2/1/2 arrangement. Once both apps are visible, adjust the divider by tapping and dragging to resize. This lets you prioritize one app for reading or typing. Make sure to use app-specific menus because certain functions may behave differently in multi-window versus full screen. You can swap the apps with the on-screen swap control or open the Recent Apps tray in the bottom pane to replace the second app. Remember to check touch targets. Some apps reduce usable space. To finish, drag the divider fully to the top or bottom to close one pane, or tap the Maximize control to return to a single app. This cleanly ends the session. If you need the panes swapped, use the swap button so you don't reopen apps manually. If split screen won't start, make sure split screen is enabled in settings under Convenience Tools, and confirm the apps aren't flagged as incompatible. Reboot if permissions or gestures seem blocked, then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.